how to manage important in others settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click on your profile here and click these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll down until you find the beliefs. And once you're here, just scroll down until you find important in others, click on it and select anything you want here, like this one, and then click this icon in the top corner, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.